Now we are going to discuss about the multiplication theorem. You know that multiplication theorem, probability of A intersection B equal to probability of B given A into P of A. How we are getting these conditional based on the conditional probability. P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. Okay. So this is the definition of the conditional probability. And from this definition of the conditional probability, we are obtaining probability of A intersection B equal to probability of B given A into probability of A. Or you suppose probability of B given A, you can write it as probability of B intersection A by probability of A. Okay. So this probability of B given A, that is equal to probability of B given A by probability of A. Okay. So this is the definition of the conditional probability. You recall that from the definition of the conditional probability, we are obtaining the multiplication theorem for the two events. Okay. So you have to, from this given statement, you have to find out a box contains 4 bad and 6 good tubes. 2 are drawn out from the box at a time. One of them is tested and found to be good. Okay. So the condition is we are drawing the 2 and both should be there without replacement. So you know that with replacement and without replacement. With replacement, we are without replacement. So from the first event, there is total number of tubes are 10. Among the 10, there is the event of only good is only 6. Then the condition is that the drawn is among there is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So it is 10 minus 1, 9. Because we are not replacing. So we are subtracting that one tube from the total 10, 9, from the good 6 minus 1, 5. So therefore B given A after one drawn, that means with replacement, without replacement, sampling without replacement. Therefore given probability of A intersection B, chosen is a good. You have to find out the probability of A intersection B. That is equal to probability of B given A, that is equal to 5 by 9. Probability of A equal to 6 by 10. After simplifying, you are getting 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the chosen tube is good probability. Using the multiplication theorem, we are getting the 1 by 3. So this is the example for the multiplication theorem for the two events. Then we are going to discuss in the next session multiplication theorem for 3 events and n events and the related problems. So far we discussed about the addition theorem for the 2 events and addition theorem for 3 events, and that we already discussed the theory and related problems, examples we discussed. Today we discuss about the conditional probability. From the conditional probability we discuss about the multiplication theorem for 2 events and the related examples. Okay, thank you.